Tired of manually sorting through hundreds of documents, invoices, resumes, contracts, all mixed up? Meet Extracta's new feature for document classification, your intelligent assistant for automated document sorting. Let's see how it works. Okay, so first let's go to document classification and define a new classification. Here we can write a name. And here we can define some possible document outputs. So we should add some document types. Here we can define a custom document and add it with specific description and unique phrases that corresponds to that type of document, or you can use one of our predefined templates. Okay, so after we have defined all the possible outcomes of this classification, we should go ahead and create the classification. What's unique to Extracta is that after classifying the documents, you can also link them to predefined extraction templates in order to extract specific data. In order to link them, you have to click here and search for your extraction template. Link it, and once it appears here with green, it's linked. Let's go ahead and do that with all the documents. So basically what we've done here is after the documents have been uploaded, they are going to be classified. Based on some predefined extraction template, we can also extract structured data from each of the documents. So let's add some files. Here are different types of files, from business cards to receipts to invoices. Let's click continue and upload. Once the classification is ready, here you can see the document type that the AI considered this document to be and the confidence score. If you want to see the classified files, you can always go to these columns here. If you click on a document, you're going to see the document type, the confidence, and the extracted data based on extraction template. Let's go back and export the results. You can choose between Excel or zip. Let's choose zip and download the results. The zip contains a folder for each of the document types with the corresponding documents, and a general Excel containing all the files and the data that have been extracted. Using Extracta, you can basically save lots of hours from your manual classification processes. It doesn't require training, and also you can link them to your predefined extraction templates. If you have any questions or requests, feel free to contact us through our website chat or our contact form. Bye.